It's Tuesday, July 16th, 2019, and our cryptocurrency bull market watch is not very bullish. In this report, we use our simple trading plan looking for trend reversals, and we grade all of the markets on poloniex and binance against our trading plan. We have a simple color coding where if it's orange, it means it's nearly failing to new lows. If it's red, that market is failing to new lows. Something that is gray is in between, making a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation that could be the turnaround of a trend. Something that we've marked as yellow is that it's almost finished the verification of the turnaround, and things that we've marked green, they've gone past the downtrend line, they've broken above the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, and the exponential moving averages have crossed over on the 4-hour or maybe the 12-hour time frame. And those are how we grade the markets, and we break it down into a simple color coding, and then we count up how many markets are in each color code. This powerful report where you can see visually at a glance which markets are coming from a fail status to a near fail status, working their way up to neutral, coming through alert status, and finally into hold status. At a quick glance, you'll find which markets are the first wave of cryptocurrencies to take off, and you'll see when the second and third waves are taking off as well. Right now, we can see that in poloniex, we have a lot of red and orange, really strong this last while. The neutral markets, the gray, are hovering around 12 of the 50 markets there. Over on Binance, we have 61 of the markets that are nearly failing. We have 66 that have failed to new lows. We only have 19 markets that are neutral, that is, they're holding their bottom formations. And we have 5 markets that are in alert or hold status right now on Binance. We can see our more general bull-bear ratio where we add up the oranges and the reds here, and we add up the yellows and the greens here. When this green line is increasing and the red line is dropping, we know that we're stepping into the bull market. While the markets are very bearish overall, this is the time to be watching for the earliest leaders in the altcoins, and those will be the markets that are marked gray right now. They're holding their bottom formation and they haven't broken down to new lows. They are not down to near failing to new lows. They're holding inside their 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, and these would be the earliest coins perhaps on the first wave of the cryptos to take off. So this is the time to be paying attention to them. Everything looks gloomy, but the first signs of the bull are starting to wake up. So we can look at our Atom, Bitcoin of course, Decreed, Digibyte, Doge, Factum. You can see Grin, LPT, Made, NMR, and then a lot of orange and red before we get to Stellar. STR is gray right now. And we get near the end, we can see that ZRX is also gray. So in total, we only have one market that is actually an alert. We have 12 markets that are gray, and I looked at all the grays and I didn't stop to see which is the one market that is an alert. Foam. So there's a market that is in alert status right now. And that's the only one on poloniex. Everything else is bearish or neutral. And over on Binance, we can see that the last time we did this episode, we had 15 in the bullish and 77 in the bearish. Now we have 6 in the bullish and 127 in the bearish. So the bull bear here doesn't count up the neutrals. And as the neutrals are swinging from side to side, that makes a big difference in the bullishness and bearishness measure. Right now, we can see it's sunk heavier to the failing, very heavy to the near fails. Only 19 markets are gray. If you're interested in all of the information that comes along with this spreadsheet so that you can access this for your own trading education, for your own back testing, and for your own research and understanding of the simple trading plan, and if you're interested in a longer style detailed video where we review each of the potential markets in both poloniex and Binance, then you may be interested in joining us over on the new patron setup. This is for people who are 18 years old and over, so that you are investment age. As you can see, we started off just last week and we're now up to 4 patrons, and it would be great to have you along. What I'm offering for Patreon subscribers is a weekly in-depth video of all of the active markets in the Bull Market Watch Spreadsheet, both on poloniex and for Binance. And that includes access to this spreadsheet. You'll have this powerful report at your fingertips where you can see visually at a glance which markets are coming from a fail status to a near fail status, working their way up to neutral, coming through alert status, and finally into hold status. At a quick glance, you'll find which markets are the first wave of cryptocurrencies to take off, and you'll see when the second and third waves are taking off as well. If that kind of detailed cryptocurrency research is interesting to you, then I would be honored to have you as a patron. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Cryptocurrency Bull Market Watch.